Hey there, busy bees! Mornings can be a whirlwind, right? But skipping breakfast? Not an option. So let me show you 5 healthy breakfasts you can whip up in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in. Grab a cup of Greek yogurt. Now, layer it with fresh berries like blueberries or strawberries. Add a sprinkle of granola on top. Bam! You've got protein, fiber, and antioxidants all in one delicious bite. And it takes less time than brewing a cup of coffee. Toast a slice of whole grain bread. Mash half an avocado and spread it on your toast. Sprinkle some salt, pepper, and maybe a dash of red pepper flakes if you're feeling adventurous. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and keep you full longer. Okay, this one requires a bit of prep the night before, but it's worth it. Mix half a cup of rolled oats with half a cup of milk or a dairy-free alternative. Add a teaspoon of chia seeds and a drizzle of honey. Let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, just grab and go. Easy peasy. In a blender, toss in a banana, a handful of spinach, a scoop of protein powder, and a cup of almond milk. Blend it all up, and you've got a nutritious breakfast that's perfect for sipping on your commute. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some greens. Spread a couple of tablespoons of peanut butter on a whole grain tortilla. Place a banana in the center and roll it up. Cut it in half if you like. This one's packed with protein and potassium to kickstart your day. So there you have it. 5 healthy breakfasts, each ready in 5 minutes or less. Remember, starting your day with a good meal fuels your body and mind for whatever's on your to-do list. Stay healthy, stay happy, and make every morning count. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more quick and healthy tips. See you next time.